Halo, kali ini kita akan membawakan satu lagu kenang-kenangan untuk mengisi acara weekend. Lagunya Wonderful Tonight yang kita akan bawakan duet saya Jenar dan Om Wayan dari Bali gitu. Yo Yan, Pak Yan.
Oke.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She put on her makeup. She browses her long, long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love in your eyes. And I wonder of it all, and you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got a making hand, and so I give her the car key. She helped me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn off the light, I said, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see a love like yours. And I wonder of it all, and you just don't realize how much I love you.